Hey, Cat 37 class, we're going to go over rotating geometry. Okay, so we're going to do a transformation. Instead of translating, this time we're going to rotate about an axis. So let's go ahead and open up the file. Okay, so once again, for transformations, right next to fillet, transformations, go to the drop down. You can translate, rotate, scale, use affinity. Okay, so let's go back. All right, so let's follow the tutorial. A lot of explanations. Okay, we're going to rotate this surface. Okay, so let's rotate the existing surface about this axis. Okay, this is pretty straightforward. Okay, so the green line, go ahead and make it thicker so we can see it clearly. Okay, so we're going to rotate this surface about this axis. Okay, so let's insert our own geoset. All right, so below fillet, below chamfer, we have translate. Go to the drop down and pick the second option, rotate. Okay, so let's rotate. So we're gonna rotate an element. We can pick more than one. If you want to pick more than one, pick the little goodie bag here, right? Okay, we're only gonna pick one item, the surface. And now we have to pick our axis. So let's go with the green line as our axis. As you can see, and taking advantage of these green arrows, right? The green arrows will let you rotate and rotate forever. All right, so let's rotate. Okay, so you can type in how much you want to rotate by. Okay, let's go in the opposite direction. Let's go 90 degrees. And say, hey, I want to repeat this. Make an additional 2 copies. Hit OK. Let's increase the number to 4. I'm assuming you need to include the first one, so it's going to be 4 total. And OK. Oh, actually, I didn't have to include the first one, so I did a total of 4. Didn't need to do 4, I only needed 3. Okay, and there it is. Okay, so now let's pick a different axis. So I'm going to go back, go to rotate 1, go back. Instead of using the green line as our axis, I'm going to use the x-axis. Let's see what happens. I don't even know where the x-axis is. So let's show our intersecting planes. Okay, now I know where the x-axis. Here's the x-axis. So instead of a line, existing line, we can use an axis. Let's see what happens if we pick the x-axis. Not that much excitement there, right? And okay. Oh, it kept the original ones. So the original ones kept the properties of the first axis. Let me go ahead and delete this one. Okay, let's go back. So we're just rotating about the x-axis now. Not a big deal. And let's rotate about the y. And let's rotate about the z. Right click inside, pick the z-axis. Okay, and there it is around the z. Okay, so you have different options. Okay, so you don't need a line. You can always use an axis. Either one will work. Okay. And let's go back and we're done. Okay. Okay, so save your work. Let's go back to the green one. There it is. I'll go 90. preview and repeat. Okay. And let's add a total of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And there it is. Looks like I have one too many, but that's okay. We're having fun here. All right, so that's the end of this video. Don't forget to save your work. See you in the next one.